In this video, I want to show you how you might unsend an email with Gmail. So I'm going to do a normal email at this point. I'm going to pick on Compose. Of course, I have a Gmail account, and I'm going to type in my other Gmail account, just as a test here. And I'll just say hello. All right. And I'm going to pick on send, just like a normal email. Now in Gmail, what happens is you're going to get this message up here that says your message has been sent. And I can view the message. But at that point, it's been sent, and there's nothing I can do about it. So now, let me show you how you can actually activate something that can help you unsend an email. What you have to do is you go into your normal Gmail account, and you come over here, and you pick on where you can go to settings. And then I am going to pick on settings right there. And then you get a whole big screen of things that you can change. Maybe on other videos I'll show you some of these other settings. But actually you come way over here and you're going to be able to pick on something that's called labs. And these are kind of add-ins that Google is working with. I'll pick on labs. And if you scroll down, there's a few other things that you might find useful. I'm going to scroll down, and here there's one that says undo a send. All right, so I'm going to pick on enable right there. This house says undo send. I'm going to pick on enable, and I'm going to pick on save changes. So you only have to do that part one time, and now when you send the email, watch what happens. You have a small chance to unsend it. So I'm going to pick on Compose again. And I'll type in the same account as before. It could be any account, really. And by the way, the email that you're sending it to does not have to be a Gmail account. It could be any kind of account. So put that same one in there. And I'll just say hello here. Now watch what happens when I pick on send this time. Now notice you get this new message up here that says undo. So if I pick on undo, then it actually puts it back into your draft folder and does not actually send it. So what happens really is when you install that little lab that I showed you, it delays the actual sending of the email for 10 seconds. So watch again. I'm going to pick on send. And now you have 10 seconds to pick on undo. Now, if you don't pick on undo at that point, then it really does send. Watch how this is going to go away. See how that went away after 10 seconds. So you actually have 10 seconds to unsend that email using that little trick I just showed you. So first of all, you have to turn on that little lab. So I'll go back to settings over here and pick on labs. Now you can see that the undo send is enabled. So you do that one time. Then when you send an email to anybody, by the way, when you send it, you have this 10 seconds where you can pick on undo up there, and it takes it away from the sent folder and doesn't actually send it. However, you have just the 10 seconds to do that, but at least that gives you one way to unsend an email using your Gmail account.